Minister of Police Firoz Kachalia is saying that he's investing 600 million rands into the South African Police Service so that they can combat the potential violence by Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakelo Mthakathi and the rest of the crew because of their march on the 30th of June. So the police are saying that they are prepared to put every resource to make sure that no violence happens on that day. Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakelo Mthakathi, they have said that they are not advocating for any violence or anything like that. They're saying that there should be peaceful marches, but we all know that this kind of marches motivate people who are violent. They might not be violent, but it will motivate a lot of people who want to loot, people who want to, mark other people, do criminal activities. So yeah, this thing needs to be handled with kid gloves so we can make sure that people are safe on the 30th of June.
But maintaining stability will come at a cost.
I can tell you that it's going to cost the South African Police Service over 600 million. That's what it costs when there are efforts to destabilize the country. Additional funds. We're making those resources. So this is a special operation because such threats have been made on social media and so forth.
While Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakelo Mthakathi are saying that things will be peaceful on the 30th of June, how do they guarantee that? Because the Minister of Police is saying that they are going to deploy a lot of police. They've invested 600 million on just security. So Ngizwe Mchunu, are they going to have security there? Are they going to employ their own police force because the police will be guarding them? So how, you get what I mean? How will they ensure themselves personally that they take personal responsibility to everything that's about to happen? Because we cannot just believe them when they just say that people won't be violent, people shouldn't be violent. We've seen the kind of people they motivate when they go to marches, and those people are not very kind to foreigners, legal or illegal.
The South African Police Service has elevated its operational readiness across all provinces with comprehensive deployment plans in place to protect communities, critical infrastructure, and key public spaces.
The law is very clear. No person may carry dangerous weapons or firearms at a gathering where such conduct is prohibited by law or where it is intended to intimidate.
The 30th of June is around the corner. I think it's about like 7 days away. So I guess we're going to see what's going to happen there, because at the moment it's just a waiting game. The police are prepared because they're even saying that they are ready to deploy